This is probably the few things you don't want to see when you're going down a trail. Awesome. We're going anyways. Absolutely beautiful out here today. Real. Running good. Since we're here out in the middle of nowhere, got bear prints. Oh yeah, we are really out in the middle of nowhere. Unfreaking believable. Holy shit. These trails are rough. This road is off the chain. Holy crap. Solid sand. Man, this thing running great. Holy shit. This was something cool. Those little green things are like moss things. They're cool as hell looking. I don't know. Something neat while we're out here. Yeah, we are out in the middle of nowheres. And I've been following that for like 2 miles now. So, whew. Yeah, going by GPS at this point. Anyways, this is running great. But yeah, probably about 4 or 5 miles out now. So, it's beautiful out here. Anyways, alright. Here, take a video of this. Goes into nowhere, way out in the swamp. Pretty cool. Well, I found the other side. That big long thing. Yeah, I just got smacked by one of these dropping. Gigantic freaking pine cone. Oh man, they got sharp little things. Anyways, these trails are just horrendous. But let's see where it ends up. Anyways, still going. This thing's running great. No freaking idea what this stuff is. But it just looked kind of cool. So I stopped and taking a look at it. It's just like these little bush things. Anyways, I just stopped and taking a look at this stuff. Kind of neat. Oh, anyways. Homeless people. Absolutely dreadful. Holy crap. Alright, this will be fun. Dead. Woo-hoo.